This is my Ninja blade, Ninja blender blade. Let me be a little bit more specific. A few months ago, it was quite stuck. I couldn't even turn it. And I found out a way to loosen it up. It wasn't through screws. It wasn't through washing it. It was through... And now we will demonstrate what I did. So pour a little bit of oil into the bottom of the Ninja blade, yeah. But not touching this part, just this part. A little bit of oil, yeah, good. Maybe more. Okay, maybe a bit more. Just so that this whole circle has oil in it. And then you turn this. You just work the oil in. You work the oil in and it'll start spinning and it will be good as new. Use oil.
Good as normal.